can't say that. Eh? Why will Akudo treat her like that? She only came there to explain herself.
My dear, if for Akudo.
You see Akudo?
Obayalia too much. If she misbehaves one more time, I will take Anayo away from her. Hey. And she will do nothing about it.
Sister, please don't do that. You know, we don't have parents that will fight for us. Please.
Don't talk that way. Eh? Don't allow Akudo to insult her like that. When she was doing everything for her, Ebe Akudo no. Eh?
You know the painful part. The painful part is that since they came back to this village, I've picked the one favoring them. I've given them almost eventually everything that they need. Oh. So this is the right way for her to pay me back. I will so deal with her. Hey.
It's J-Boy I blame. If he had returned and gotten married to you, all of this will not happen.
You know I'm not Kojo.
Nah, happy, yeah.
Just shut up.
Biko.
Just keep quiet. Keep mute.
Sister, I don't want.
Shut up!
No. Let's go and face that woman.
What's
not
your
her.
Own? Why you making everything hot?
I beg. I
Mama, I want you to judge this matter. Don't side anyone.
I am not siding anybody. All I know is that Akudoge is fighting for her rights. Oh.
But we don't have anything in common. We're just friends. Nothing at all.
It's okay. She's only trying to prevent future occurrence. Pico.
What are we even saying? Mama, you needed to have seen the way they were holding hands. And you want me to believe nothing is going on? In that case, she should keep her help. Oh. We don't need her help. Let her stay on her own.
Which one is keep her help? Are you the one to tell me who to get help from? Eh? If you don't want her to help me, then you bring someone that will be helping me. Or the yam she gave me the other day, didn't you eat it?
Me?
What was me?
Did I eat the yam?
What was me?
I can't remember eating the yam.
You can't remember.
Mama, did I eat that yam?
Don't tell me that one, no. We are just friends, nothing. Nothing. Mama, you know now.
Friends,
why is she
friends that hug each other like this.
Brother, it's okay.
Friends that cuddle.
It's okay.
Mama, as is now it means you're taking sides.
I don't know what to believe again. Listen to me. You are not going anywhere with my You're not going anywhere with my tummy. I paid last month.
Leave us.
You did not give me any receipt.
Leave my wife.
This month again, you want to collect money? You cannot go with my stuff.
Leave my wife.
Where is my receipt? Where is the receipt? Can I have it? Where is it?
Pay your money.
Drop the dummy.
Leave my waist.
All the way.
Asawa.
Today we will get wasted.
Asawa, pay your money.
Leave me alone.
If you don't leave me now, if you move here now, we'll come back with police.
What's not police?
If you move here now, we'll come back with police.
Asawa, remember
government foot. Now today you're speaking for back. Drop my thing for me.
Asawa,
you want peace for me? I will not leave this waste.
Leave my waist.
We will not waste it today. I will not leave this waste. Who want me on that one? Drop my tummy for me because.
What's going on here?
What happened?
Tell her to give us our money. You never give me the money. I paid for local government revenue last month. They don't give me receipt. This month again, they've gone to collect another money without giving me receipt. Do you not have any receipt to give me?
Bro, bring it down first. Bring it down first.
This is my customer's clothes.
Wait, easy.
Drop the dummy because.
Drop the dummy first. You go spoil the clothes now.
Drop the dummy. You must drop it.
One drop go the dummy.
Tell her to give us our money.
Wait,
tell her to give us our money.
How much is the money?
Only 1,500 naira. Only.
Only I wasting our time.
Only. But you cannot pay for it. You cannot pay for it. Only.
She will give us.
You want to be doing that for the rest of your life?
You don't do it. I want to hear joke okay? Peace is everything. Just wait. Drop the dummy first.
Tell her to give us our money.
Before you drop on
yes, nah.
If you need to get drop this dummy. Now I'm going to tell you.
It's okay.
Drop my dummy.
It's okay. Wait. See the 1,500. But bring receipt.
Young man, if you want to pay, you pay. We don't have any receipt to give to her.
I don't understand.
Wait.
You said if I will pay, you will not give me receipt. What do you mean if I want to pay?
That is how we operate.
Give us our money.
Wait. Guy, wait. I need to pay and you bring receipt.
Young man, if you want to pay, you pay. We don't have any receipt to give to you.
So tomorrow you still come back and say she has.
I see your business.
Which one is I see my business?
I see your business.
It's like if we are your people. You are cheating. So I will just give you money without payment.
Iron!
Eh?
Deal with this man.
Kill this man. I'm suffocating.
And the talk you the fight, you say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see, you go see. Now trouble you go see, you go see. When you just another woman, wait till you go see. Now fighting every day.
What happened to you? I had an accident though. Huh?
Brother, where and when?
Is he not one stupid bike man? No? I don't know if he smoked bitter leaf. I was just walking on my own lane. No? The stupid man left his lane and just came right where I was and hit me. I even fell inside the gutter. If not for passerbys that saw me inside and recognized me. That's how erosion will carry me and go.
Anayo, are you sure about this?
Which one am I sure? Go and ask people now. If not from the people I'm very good to, that's how water will carry me and go. Eh?
Water has not started carrying you, Anayo.
Brother, thank God for your life. Oh. Thank God it was only erosion, no bro hurricane, no earthquake. Brother, what will you gain from telling all these lies?
I don't know.
Brother, what will you gain from telling all these lies? We are all in this village, and you know how news fly about. Brother Nayo, what were you doing at Asanwa's shop when you fought with the revenue boys?
Me fought with revenue boys.
You fought with barristers. Or you think we did not hear it?
Hey! Anayo! You and Asanwa are daring me, oh! You are daring me! I will do something, Anayo! Don't say I did not want you, Anayo! Don't say I did not want you!
Don't stop this shouting, your shout. Which one is you?
Why would I shout rescue mission? Eh? Why would I shout?
So were you expecting me to leave her? Why those stupid boys were intimidating her?
Rescue mission. Why were you lying? Why were you lying just
because
now?
I don't want your trouble, just like what you're doing now. You're shouting. It's because I don't want it.
I've turned to Onion Sobu.
I could stop this thing you're doing. No. Stop it. Stop it.
Anayo, I'm warning you. Ijoma, give me food.
I don't need your food. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So you not eat outside? Anayo, kebi naga. So you not eat outside? You not eat outside, Anayo? Hey, Ijoma, put your mouth here.
I've
collected enough.
I've collected enough.
Hey! We did not beat you.
Asanwa, you will hear my voice in this village. Anayo,
look at how he's walking. Look at how he's walking. I put him up here. Brother.
Every day now.
Is Anaya around? I want to see Anaya. Anayo. Our wife. Good morning.
Madam, have you come to see a secret lover? Have you come to see a secret lover? I'm asking you.
What are you talking about? What is wrong with both of you this morning? She's been sounding the way she's been behaving to her, and now you are out. Where's all this negativity is coming from?
What is what? Oh, you think I don't know the difference between come and eat and do you have food? Leave my husband alone, no, Asanwa. Leave my husband alone, Asanwa. Leave me alone. Take your things and go. We don't need it. Snap, what?
Anayo, I brought some things for you. I don't know.
Get out! Leave this place!
get it from you.
You say what?
And when you get it, don't blame me.
Mama, what did you just say now?
See this thing you're looking
Try
for.
me. Nonsense. Dikeh. Mama, what? Let's go.
Asanwa, baby, please. All I need from you is nothing but your attention. Eh? Baby, I know I don't have money, but I will show you good love. I mean, sweet loving, like Whiskey. Eh? Just give me the opportunity.
Okay, I'm not going to but here I'm not some near. Some really lunch. I ain't catching neighbors just to contain now from him off the Suzu Putan no Simona. You won't like if you're about whiskey. What are you calling whiskey? Are you like whiskey? You whiskey, Diego. Eh? What do you have there? Why would you? Who do you want to get married to? Am I your mate? Like a what?
Baby, I will make money one day. Eh? Just give me the opportunity to
make money. Charity begins at home. You don't even have one naira inside this. So what? Why is money used to marry me?
Make money.
Let's come now, also.
Wait.
It's a lie, yo. It's a lie. You must agree, yo. Hey! You must agree, Asanwa. Hold her. Hold her well. Asanwa, you must accept him. If it's my husband, you want him. If it's a man with wife and kids, you want him. Where? Eh? Asanwa. Hey! Asanwa.
Are you really that jobless?
See this handsome-looking man that has come for you. Don't want him. Peter,
Akudo. So is it nothing to be at home? You are busy following people up and down. Are you that jobless?
Hold her.
You know, Sarah.
Hey, what will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do? Eh? Peter, go to her.
There is no. Akudo, wait now. It's not fair now. Stop insulting her now. This is not doing is no good. It's not. She's my future wife now. I will beat her. She's my future wife.
See what happened.
Okay. Calm down, baby, please.
Okay,
Please.
Follow her. Follow Asanwa.
Asanwa, I will make money one day. Don't worry. Remember, no one knows tomorrow. I will make big money. Don't worry, you will come for me.
Waiting you go see no trouble you go see when you can just another woman
I heard what happened though. Please, I'm deeply sorry. Don't let it get to you. Okay?
Listen, your wife is playing with fire. Ifrakudo, Omaro no kuna boza la kujibwe. I will burn her. I will set her ablaze.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Biko. Oh?
Okay. It's all right. But one thing is for sure. One thing that Akudo does not know that the more she tries to fight, in fact, the more she fights me, is the more I have feelings for you.
Exactly what you don't understand.
Yeah, but where you go, before we take away from her, let her just respect herself.
Exactly my thoughts. I've been telling them the same thing. The more they are pushing me away from you, the more I have feelings for you.
Excuse me. Feelings for who?
No, I said the more they are fighting, I shouldn't talk to you, I shouldn't do this one. The more I'm getting used to you. That's what I mean.
Please don't have feelings for me. Trust me.
Which one is that I should not have feelings for you? Eh?
Leave me. I don't like the way you're touching me because I'm finer than your wife.
It's okay. You know you're beautiful. Eh?
Leave me now. Nah, you leave me. I'm tired.
Mrs. Ocham. Mrs. Ocham.
I don't like the way you're holding me. See people Wait.
Why your sister? Stay quiet.
I'm not Akudo. Tell your wife to respect herself. Let her respect herself. I'm not Papa.
Asanwa, Mrs. Ocham.
Hey. Okay. Okay, please come on. Sister, help me go to Okonkwo's house. I didn't know my cream has finished. Let him give you the cream I gave you money to buy for me in Onitsha. Check if he's back. Oh, okay, sir. Hurry. Oh. Hey. Okay, wrong. Obi.
Sam, what is it?
I just finished bathing. I didn't know my cream had finished. I just asked Toby to go to Okonkwo's house to get me the cream that I asked him to buy for me in Onitsha that day.
So there's nothing in this one.
There's
now?
nothing again.
You can still get something from it now before she comes. Use your mouth.
Hey!
Here now. Please, this one will rub some places before she comes.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me help you rub your back. Again, I feel you've grown to be a very beautiful woman.
Wait, stop.
Let me rub the down layer.
No, just the upper part is okay. Thank you.
It's me. Let me rub
Hey, I said I'm okay now. I'm okay. Just stop. People are passing now. Stop it. This is outside.
Let's go inside. I'll rub it everywhere that will cause obstacle. I'll rub it for you. Huh?
Don't rub. I cannot go inside with you. I'm ovulating.
Let's go and ovulate together.
Ovulation is not meant for guys now. It's for me.
Let's go.
Wait. No, wait. No. Hi. Wait now. Wait. You'll be pregnant.
It's me that will rub
So fighting go they come over your way. Every day now, every day now, Chachai, brother, sister, again and then Mama, Papa.
What is it? You sounded so urgent on the phone.
How can I be okay? I told you, Daddy, not to do this thing. I told you. You refused. You insisted. Now I am pregnant too. I'm pregnant.
You say?
You heard me or something you say?
I did not hear you well. What did you say now?
I said I am pregnant.
What is pregnant?
The thing that you put inside has... In fact, it's time for you to germinate it. I am pregnant. I'm just coming from the hospital. Doctor confirmed that I am pregnant. I even saw your wife there.
Hey! Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Yes, my wife, Akudo, the one that I married, she also told me that she's pregnant. She also says she's pregnant.
Hey! On your way. You be tofu. Since when did you start stammering? Listen. If you're thinking about me aborting this pregnancy, you must be dreaming. Because I will not. I won't.
Asama, what I'm trying to say now, but my wife, Akudo, is pregnant.
Okay.
That's what she said as she returned from the hospital.
Okay.
So she cannot be pregnant and you're also pregnant. Isn't now the league of pregnant women? Please, I'm only saying you abort. I know it's the
best. So you want me to abort this pregnancy? You want me to die? No, I will not reduce my voice. Listen to me. I cannot do any other abortion. I've done 7 abortions for J-Boy. And the doctor said if I do one more, I won't be able to have a child. This one I managed to enter, I will not remove it. I won't bring it down. When you were doing it inside there, did you bring it down?
Okay, so what are we going to do since it's like this?
What you are home?
Abortion is...
No, wait, it's not what you are home will do. Me and you. I don't understand. Am I the one that impregnated 2 women? It's just you. Now sort it out by yourself. Don't piss me off at all. I will not remove this pregnancy. I will not. When you were doing it, I told you not to do it. You refused. You went straight to the point. You did it. I told you I was ovulating. Say let us ovulate together. Now it's time for us to ovulate together and have a baby. You are telling me to abort it. For what? For what? No, tell me. Listen, I don't care if you cry out blood. I'm not the one that impregnated 2 women. Go and sort yourself out with yourself. In fact, as a matter of fact, abort your scrotum.
Every day now, brother, sister,
Are you serious? Anna, you're in trouble.
Very big trouble. Very
deep trouble. Chineke.
So people will still enter this kind of trouble in this life. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. That's the problem. I've even told her to abort it, but she refused.
You are still talking about abortion. People has given their life to Christ. It's reminding me and you.
Bring down your voice.
Hey!
Which one is hey? Were you not the one telling me everybody did it? Everybody did it. Why are you now shouting? Eh? Why is it surprising to you? You used to think of how we saw the whole thing.
So Asama is pregnant for you.
Guinea! What did I just hear?
No, we are talking. Hey! No. You did not hear well.
Anayo?
Eh? No, we were talking about Juventus and Manchester. And
Juventus to Chogano there.
Fenerbahce.
Juventus to Chogano.
Fenerbahce won.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow is pregnant.
Tomorrow is pregnant.
We
are talking about Juventus and Fenerbahce.
No.
No. Hey! Tomorrow is pregnant.
Ojuku, you are part of my problem in this village, Ojuku. Ojuku will kill you, Ojuku.
Edinburgh and Manchester.
You have killed me. I will kill her today.
Have you seen what you've caused? I told you bring down your voice.
I was trying to bring down my voice. I was tuning it down. But the thing was free will. It was turning round. Refused to stop. Hey, you have to go after her before she will kill her somehow. Go. You people should go. Hey, whoa, pregnancy. Hey, I have given my life to Christ. If not, I would have aborted myself. Hey, they will not count me. Hey.
Sister, have you seen it? I told you. So what are you going to do now?
You told me what? Second of all, what do you think I should do? I beg, just leave me alone. There's nothing to do. I've already told him. He has to come and marry me.
Hey, sister, no. It's not a good one. What if his wife finds out about it?
What stupid wife are you talking
sister,
about?
you know there will be war.
I heard it. I heard it. Asawa, you see this pregnancy? You must abort it today. You must abort this pregnancy today, Asawa.
What else are you talking about?
So this is your plan? You got pregnant my husband.
Stop. Kudo. Don't forget you're pregnant. You're pregnant. You don't need this.
You're not pregnant.
If you can't let me cook, I'm not going to go.
Kudo, step. Sit right here.
You will give it to them. Anna, you will give it to them. What did I do to you?
Take care inside.
For this one.
Go inside. Kudo. Kudo, listen to me. No.
You will kill me. You will kill me today. So this is what you have been doing. Oh!
It was a mistake.
Mistake.
It was a mistake.
Brother, it's a lie. This was never a mistake. We forewarned you, but you didn't listen. When I can't give you an agayale, Osugon, you follow me.
And I am going to get back to you. Hey! Hey! And when you get me, I see that girl, she must have bought that pregnancy.
Yes.
She must have bought that baby.
Yes.
And now you will kill me. And now you will come.
Let me.
Anayo, why would you like to bring problem in your own family, Anayo? Tell me.
The deed has been done. Okay, it was a mistake.
Mistake.
It was a mistake.
It's a mistake of where? It's a mistake.
It's a mistake. Huh? It's your noche. I won't take this anymore. This woman has been fighting Asanwa, my brother's daughter. Why should she hit her on her tummy? Not if we were that she is pregnant. Does she want to kill her and the child in the womb?
You have not seen war. Huh? You have not seen war. Better tell this fake organic product to leave my husband alone, else I will kill her.
Okay, you can't just be hitting her on the womb like that. You do no such thing. You commit murder.
She'll be forced to abort this pregnancy. Tell her.
Huh? Was she the one that gave herself pregnancy?
I don't know me, man. I don't know me, my chacha, but that pregnancy must go.
Shut up! Woman, how dare you utter such words in my presence?
Sorry, sir.
Why? How? What is this?
It's or not here. You are hearing them. Eh? You are hearing them. If anything happens to Asanwa, I will take Anayo and his family to the shrine of Obuboji.
Go see a bear. Eh? Go see a bear with a young Gabaroka. Go see a bear.
Ichi, I am glad that you have heard the rubbish, the utterances that is coming out from her mouth. Ichi, one how? One Akudo thinks she's mad. She's not mad though. Some people are mad. She has been looking for my trouble all this while. Oh. I've just been watching her. See, Anna, you're your wife. Let her just respect herself and stay on her own. Oh. If I start my own, this village will not contain us.
Look at her. So you say I'm mad to talk of her? You stay here.
Anna, hold her down here. Sit down here.
Akudo. Yeah. Anayo. Hold your dog.
What is this? Call woman of Abenu. I have heard that you are very stubborn.
Oh, they told you?
Yes.
They told you right.
But
news.
But I will place you where you belong. Are you mad?
I'm gonna need you chair. Let me shut up.
What has gone wrong with you?
I don't know.
Anayo, please take your wife out of this place now. She cannot be here with us. Take her away.
It's okay. I'm sorry for her actions. We all are here for peace. So.
I'm not here for peace. I'm here for peace. See. Peace in there, bear.
Please don't mind what she's saying. Okay, Biko. Let's look for the way forward. The deed has been done.
Now, to the main issue. Tell us here now the plans you have for Asanwa. Let us know.
Dikeh, thank you. You see, I'll be a very wicked man if I abandon Asanwa at this condition. Okay, so I want to let you people know that I am going to take up the responsibility of taking care of her.
Okay, you're not just going to take care of me, Biko. Stop sounding as if you're doing me a favor. My child will not be a fatherless child. Do you understand me? You have to do the proper things you're supposed to do.
That is the same thing.
Do it immediately, Biko.
I will take care of her and my unborn child.
You want them to marry you? You want him to marry your girl to which house? My house? I will eat you. Marry the doggy. And then doggy, man. Marry you to where? My house. Jiroku. You know what? I'm out of here. Anaya, come back.
Come and stay back and be ranting now.
What?
Imagine. Look at the kind of woman you've been living with.
Is that how she behaves? What is this? A tiger in human flesh. Hey!
That's why I want to drag my own with me. You want to drag my husband with you?
Let me ask you a question.
Shameless woman.
Leave me alone.
Nonsense, shameless woman. I'm talking to you. Come back here, Sam. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Let me tell you, you will not live to give it to this child. You will not live to see this child. You will die. This child will die. Two of you will die.
Akudo, it is you that will die in the labor room. Wait, let me tell you something you don't know, Akudo. The day you will put spec to this thing you now for, nurse that will give birth to you. Okay, the placenta will be a shredded now Chinese chili sauce. We were rather the one obey and obey me, obey we get. Why you? It is you and your child that would die in the labor room.
Are you mad? Enough, Are you crazy? Come walk here and put it. What is even wrong with you? As I'm walking out again, you need to slap me. Before I'm getting married, you need to slap me. Naija, no, are you mad? Yeah. Choose your man. I will personally use. I will make it. Choose your man to the mass. Yeah, now. Yeah. Hey, madam. What's good? Why are you running? God forbid. Lose my child? Because of you, that shameless girl? God forbid, never, Anayo.
What did you say?
You heard me. You heard me loud and clear, Anayo. I hate you. I hate the fact that I opened my legs for you, Anayo. I detest you. Shameless man.
Shame on you, Anayo. Look at what you have subjected your wife into. What have we done to you, Anayo?
Mama, which one is what have you done to me? Why are you sounding like this now? You heard what she said, and all you could say is what have you done to me?
Biko, Akudo, relax. Stop this fight for now. Once you put to bed, if you want to kill her, you have my support. I don't blame you. I blame this unreasonable son of mine.
Mama. Shameless man. Shameless he-goat. Can't even control this thing.
Mind the way you talk to me. It's for your own good, though. You're not supposed to be doing this on this condition. You're meant to be happy.
Why are you talking as if you're a good man? Is this not what you caused? Nonsense. Preacher. Man, that's you why.
If you had put this little thing where it's supposed to be, there will be no war.
Mama, I'm going to get this thing. Stop calling it little. I was in here little. At least you've seen the end product here, and you still calling it little. I don't like this thing, no. It's not of you to be advising her to do no.
Shameless man! See me look for? Here image.
Mr. Nayo, your wife Akudo just gave birth to a bouncy baby girl.
Hey! Yes! Thank you, Jesus. Yes! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. So how is that someone?
Nurse, please, where are they? Can I see them now?
No, you will see them later. We are still cleaning them up.
Okay. I cannot wait to see her.
I have to go now. Congrats.
My Akudo has a bouncy baby girl. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey!
One more to go. One more to go.
Hey! Akudo has a baby girl. Thank you, Jesus.
Please, who is okay now?
I'm here.
Your sister Asanwa just gave birth to a bouncy baby boy.
Hey!
Thank you, God. Thank you.
Can we see her?
We want to clean her up. You see her later.
Hey!
Congratulations.
Bouncy baby boy! You said Akudo gave birth to a bouncy baby girl. Just as I am. Hey! Thank you, Jesus! You have a son now. Bouncy baby boy! Thank you, Jesus! Akudo gave you a bouncy baby girl.
Celebrate with me. I am now a father.
Go.
A full-fledged father.
Hey.
Drink up on one father.
I will double-fledged. Double-fledged father.
One
because you have two. One that side, one here. Yeah. It's not, in fact, double congratulations.
Thank you.
We're supposed to be calling you Papa Ejima.
Boy here.
Papa Ejima. Boy here. Girl the other side. Yeah? This is not easy. It is not easy.
It is not easy.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
This one is easy.
Congratulations. It is never easy to put birth to a child easily.
It's not.
It is.
Asa, you tried. Asa, everybody can. Thank you. Everybody can have a honestly. Oh, well. Sister. Is it? That's how it is. Here. Hey, baby is great.
You want to get a lachago ganya? It's you know, get a lachago and you went so from Uli fella. So this is where you are. And now you what kind of a man are you?
What's the meaning of that nonsense?
What is the meaning of what? What are you doing here? Your wife put to bed, and instead of you to sit your nonsense at home and welcome the people that has come to see your child, if you are good cyber and with this village touts, with this one, Mami Water, your mistress, you have not even paid her bride price. Sale, Okwechili, if I
So you don't know that I've been at home since morning?
You don't know
that I've been at home since morning? Can you imagine? I've been at home since morning.
It's okay. Leave him. Obi, Biko, let's go inside. Come and help me with the baby.
Let me ignore her one slap.
Listen to me now. Just come with me. You know I don't have the strength.
Go inside and
Happen to
Leave this If you talk to me, I will break you. Get out.
Just relax and
respect yourself.
Go and drink your own inside. Go and drink your own inside. Ijoma, you're not doing well. You're not doing well.
Let me see your husband.
Ijoma, Ijoma, are you giving me this thing? Let us drink.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that stupid question? Well, I am here to see my son's father, Anayo. He needs to give me money for his son.
This girl, you are daring me. You are daring me. If you know the way I feel about you, you will not have the guts to come here again. I'll put you a seat. Now we got sit.
Hey God. Akudo, I am not here to battle words with you.
Okay,
I'm not even here to add to your stress because from what I'm seeing, you got stressed already. Even if you could not cause stress. Do you understand me? I'm here to see the father of my son, not you.
Anayo, Samwa, you are nothing but a shameless she-goat. This is Anayo's wife, making this place her home. So if she asks you to leave, you leave. Get out. Get out.
Get out, just get more.
Hi, Asamwa. Ijoma. It is obvious to me that your brain, you've lost your sense of timing. I swear to God, if you touch me one more time, it's if you blue and black.
You can do nothing.
Try me. Touch me again.
You will do what? What will you do?
What?
Stop crying. Nothing will happen to your child.
Hey.
Nothing will happen.
Asanwa, if anything happens to my baby, I will kill you.
Why not leave Asanwa out of this? Let's concentrate on what happened. Every time Asanwa.
Calm down. Your baby is fine. Calm down. Mr. Anayo, can I see my office?
Doctor, forget about office. How's my baby? Talk to me.
Calm down. Your baby is fine. Let's talk in my office.
Talk here, doctor. Say it here. What is it?
What is it? How is she?
How is she?
Before you could get here, her brain was damaged already, and she lost blood. I'm sorry you lost her.
Ako, please calm down.
mother!
Akudo! No, don't.
If you come and inch close to me, marry it off now! Akudo, marry
calm down! Biko, please.
Calm down.
Please.
Akudo, don't do this. Akudo!
Don't try it, oh! Marry it's her black!
Biko, no, Biko.
Wicked people!
Akudo! Akudo!
Hey!
Akudo!
Help! Chima!
Mama, I have to go with Brother Nayo.
Public property. You say someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. And the talk with the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you.
Why would they blame you? After all, she was the one fighting with you.
My dear, I don't know. I only went to see Anayo. All of a sudden, I saw someone that got up from her seat with a baby and then trying to fight me. The baby fell on the floor. How is it my fault? Listen, we need to give them some time, oh. And in the end, that's some space because I can't have phone for.
Hey! Why are you running to? Get out! Open this door! Hey! Asawa!
Akudo!
Ichi, that was how it happened. If I hadn't run to my mother's place, Akudo would have killed me and my child.
Jay! Why is her heart so strong like that?
Ichi, please. Let's tamper justice with mercy. That boy is the only thing I have in this life. He's my only treasure. Please. I'm not even sure Akudo, my wife, will still be able to have another child. Biko, someone, please. Don't take my son away from me, please. Oh?
I won't. Only on one condition. You have to do the needful. It may be okay, but you cannot pay for that.
That I must do. I've been saying it.
I cannot be the one to lose in this case. Let Akudo lose.
Look, I will do the needful.
I am the one that bore your son.
I know. No one is disputing that fact. I will do the needful after my mother's burial.
Yes, she will not be the one to lose in this case. Let heaven fall. She will not lose.
Ichi, heaven will not fall. We are saying the same thing. I must do the needful after my mother's burial.
But that's what happened. I don't understand. What? Ojuku. Hey. Ojuku.
Papa, what is it?
Ojuku.
Papa, what is it now? What happened?
Papa, what is it? Ojuku. What is it? What was your reason that made you to come back from the city? From city?
What happened now?
Papa, you will not understand. You will not understand. When you were calling me, I was eating. Shame on you. Papa, I'm coughing now. Shame on you. You see, this is your brother Ojuku. Ojuku is the one responsible for Leda's pregnancy. Hell.
Jesus.
Ojuku. Shame.
Ojuku.
So this is what you did to your brother.
Done.
How?
How?
Shut up! You listen to this side, you listen to this. I will not listen to anyone. This one is too much for me.
What story? Your brother's wife, what story?
Hell.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Is it not pregnancy? What is bad about pregnancy?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You too. You're ashamed of yourself, you too. What is bad about pregnancy? Pregnancy is pregnancy.
Kai, may God have mercy.
Ojuku is a chameleon.
So you cannot beg, Linda.
Really?
A girl I begged my friend to take home with her now think that she has arrived.
Lady T, please forgive me. I really do not know what came over me. It's the devil. I didn't mean to be that mean to you and Gloria. Please help me beg her to forgive me.
Linda, get out of my shop. Huh? Get out of my shop!
Lady T, please. You know I don't have any other place to go to. I have no one else to run to. Please, I beg you. Please, do not throw me away like this. I beg you.
Linda.
You know, I sold off everything, including my shop, because of this pregnancy.
Linda, your begging is invalid. I don't want to see you in my shop again. Because the next time you will come here, you will not like what I will do to you. Go back to the village. Ojukwu has gone back. He's the real father of your child. Your real husband. Go and meet him. Please. Leave my shop, Linda. Can you just please go? You will not like what I'll do to you if you don't leave here right now. Can you leave? Or you want me to call the security?
No.
Oh yeah, just go.
No.
Let me go now. My customers, move. Go. Sense. Bye-bye. Rubbish. When you help them, they don't know. They want to take over. They want to take over the whole place. Take over the territory. Ah, rubbish.
Ojukwu is a chameleon. Ojukwu is a chameleon. He is in support of everything, no, and against everything, no. Ojukwu, Ojukwu is a chameleon, no. Joy,
My son.
Papa.
You're welcome.
Good evening, sir.
This way. It's okay.
Good evening,
This way.
how's the budget?
Well, thank God. I see I'm managing it.
Right.
The West is it's severe and the pain.
Like I told you, just take your medications. They are very good.
I'm trying my best.
They are good. They are good drugs.
It's okay.
They are good drugs.
Hi.
Papa, what is wrong with your son? When I drove in just now, I saw him lying down here like a pregnant woman. Immediately he saw me come down from the car, he ran inside without even greeting his elder brother. What is wrong with that boy? Huh?
Well, my son, calm down. He's just arrived. I will settle everything.
Brother,
Huh?
you're back.
Big mouth.
Brother, I'll come back. How was the trip?
Oh, you're in the house today.
I would have been alive.
Okay. So this time around, did you hear what your brother did?
Yes, but I heard though. I heard what happened.
Right.
But it's not at fault this time around.
Papa, did you hear? Huh? What is wrong with you? Why do you like supporting evil? Why do you derive joy seeing evil? Get up, get up from there!
Slap me for what? Did I say anything wrong? Since you come, you be shouting up and down.
Okay, will you
Did Ojukwu kill somebody?
Will
Did
you
he
shut
kill
up?
anyone?
Okay. Oh, don't provoke me, father. Now, get inside. I said, get inside.
Baba, talk to him.
I'm off here. Every time your mind will be running like parrot. Go inside now before. Don't get me angry.
What did Ojukwu do?
I am talking and you are still talking. Imagine this nonsense.
My brother, please. I will give you this money before September. No, I will not fail you. Once we enter September 1st, you get the alert. That's the problem. I have to see the money before commencing with the plans. You know, it's just me. I don't have anyone else helping me. I promise. I will not fail you. Okay, bro. What is it?
There is trouble.
What kind of trouble?
The bank that was bringing me home knocked again and fall down. I don't know if he's still alive.
What? Where?
Along the Market Square Road. I don't know if he's still alive.
Now?
Yes.
Where? Come!
I don't know if he's alive.
My anger is on that girl. That has been my greatest anger.
But your anger should not only be on that girl. Why would my own blood brother, my own immediate younger brother agree to such abomination? Why?
Emelife, please, you can be rest assured that he is feeling sorry. I lashed him since yesterday. If you look at him now, he is full of remorse. Trust me.
Papa, wait, please. Did you hear what Brother Ojuku said? They were dating. Even that brother and his wife went to meet her to have a child for them. Will all this come up?
Will you shut up?
By a fool. Big idiot, that is what you are. I don't even know what they teach you in school. Look at you.
Leave it. I like it like that.
Now listen, I don't want you ever see your leg in my house again in the city. Don't ever come to my house again.
Brother, no. I will not come to your house. So. Sit at your house. My legs, these legs, will not enter your house again in my life.
Very good.
After all, your house is not your house, it's Auntie's house.
Wait, are you mad? Which auntie? Are you
What is it? Papa, what is it? I'm here now. I'm here. What did I do? Did I kill anybody? Ojuku. Did I kill anybody? What is it? Why are you? Don't blame me again, though. Don't blame me again, though.
Ojuku, am I the one you're talking to like that?
You're ashamed of me.
No, you are talking to your elder brother like that?
No.
I will beat you back and
my grandfather like that. If you want to fight,
will you try?
Lawyer Rumble. Enter the ring. Enter the ring.
Ojuku!
This is my
me.
village. Go back to the city where you raised.
Be careful.
Brother, here is not the city.
Oh, yeah.
Here is not city.
Here is not city. I will jump on your car. What is this? Come here. Come here, let me show you that I have a child.
I know the solution.
Yes.
Don't.
Oh yeah, I will jump in your car now, destroy your car. What is the problem?
Would you respect yourself?
Papa, look at it. Why is he blaming me?
Respect yourself.
I said, have a child, you have a child. Now I say, lose a child, you lose child.
You're an idiot.
Look at someone I'm beating.
Okay.
I was beating you to give you a child.
It's okay.
I impregnated your wife. Which wife?
You're an idiot. Shut up.
Papa, I will not shut up.
Shut up.
I will not shut up.
Have a child. You have a child. Lose a child. You lose a child.
I gave him a child.
In your brother's domain.
I gave him a child.
Can you do it outside?
I gave my brother a child. He should abuse me for that. What is it? I said, have a child, have a child.
Have a child, you have a child. In your elder brother's domain.
Yes, accident. Where? The bike that was bringing me home knocked again and board, and I think that boy is dead. That boy is good.
This is good news. Is that why you're panting? You should be happy, my friend. This is good news.
I am not happy because Ogena will think I was the one that sent the bike man to kill Paul. I had to run from there before they would mob me.
Look, I pray he does not survive this. I cannot be childless while someone has a son. No! It has to be equal equation. Be happy.
No.
God has done it. Let's go.
Hey! Do you know they would think I was the one that sent the bike man?
Let's go and cook rice.
Hey.
Accident can happen anytime. Let's go. Hey!
The bike man just quiet.
Have you seen how God works? Okay, pray very well that nothing happens to my brother. Just pray. Start praying.
Madam, nothing could happen now. You know, say, I'm not seeing.
You didn't see him?
I'm not seeing.
You're not a blind man. You didn't see him. I'm sure that they asked you to hit him.
Girl?
Yes.
Nobody see me. I just didn't walk on my own and an accident.
Where is he? He's inside.
Hey,
Yes, man.
I'm not seeing.
Liar.
Please, calm down. Please, the doctor wants to see people inside.
Hey. No, Obi, come and hold this man. Oh, no, let him go. Hold him very well. Let him go.
Are you mad?
Hold him well.
So what? You know the pain that boy is going through now?
I don't they move for. I don't know saying the part.
How can you know? How can you know?
You hit him on purpose.
I don't care. Let him go. If he wants to go, let him go. You see me? I'm going to make it in this fight. I will make it, and he will beg me for money. Oh, all of you will beg me for something in this village.
But who is saying you will not make it? Eh? Who is saying that to you? You made a mistake. Accept the fact that you made a mistake. Simple.
Which mistake? Which mistake? Is it because Linda went there and behaved like Linka? Eh? She went there to misbehave to Gloria. It was an opportunity for us to make money. She went there to do nonsense.
Which opportunity? Anyways, that one is across. Let her carry it. This is not my business.
Don't worry. I will make it. By the time I make it, all of you...
But you made a mistake. Please accept it.
All of you will beg me for something, and I will not give you. I will close eye for you people.
Who will beg you?
You will see. You will...
Who is this one? Where are you going to?
My friend, go back to where you're coming from, I beg.
Go where? Go to your husband's house.
Go back to
Where are you going to?
Ojuku.
Eh?
It shock you.
Electric shock.
It shock you to see.
No, electric shock.
Go back,
shock
I beg,
me.
and stop making noise here.
Ojuku, you cannot run away from me.
Better leave here.
I have come to stay.
Stay where? In this house.
Leave her, leave her.
I am pregnant.
Leave her, leave her. Leave her, let's hear
You
what...
have to go back. No, enough of this nonsense.
Carry your bag
Go
and
back.
leave. Leave,
Where are you going to?
Where is
Hey,
your father?
go back.
Call your
Papa!
father. Before I kill somebody. Call your
Come
father.
and hear, oh. Come and hear how your son want to get married. Come and hear.
Get up and go.
Ojuku, see, you better leave this house.
I need water.
You need
Push
water.
My friend, get out of this place.
You need holy water. Get out from here.
Come and go, come and go, come and go.
You need holy water.
Ojuku. Yes.
Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on.
Come and go.
Except you people want to kill me.
You better die.
No, if you want to kill me, no problem.
You that means
you
you
want
will
to
die
kill
here.
me, no problem.
Yes, I will be the one to kill you.
No problem.
Because you're not useful in this
Ojuku,
house. You are not useful in
said
this
I want
house.
your
You are
son
not
to kill me.
useful.
Reverend Mr. Man, bring the money. Bring the money. Give us the money.
Money? Oh, madam. Okay, I go first. I don't care money.
Shut up! No, they talk. Come on, no, they talk nonsense. You don't get money. You jam people anyhow. They mad. You call me my own son. You jam. You say you don't get money. Where do you expect us to get the 100,000?
100,000 naira.
No. Okay, you don't understand. That's my best.
What is all this now? Sister, what do we do? This useless man, you don't think he has to?
They mad.
If you hit him on the ground, nothing will come out.
See, Oga, madam, you go first.
I know what to do. See, you will give me your bike. If I say your bike, I will be able to bring it. Give me back!
Sorry.
No, but I'll come back to you. Oh, you take. Give it to me.
Oga,
If I sell your bike, I'll be able to come and treat my son.
Five on you, come.
Let's go.
Please do something. Don't touch me if I punch you. Useless man.
Sorry.
Oh no.
Oga, I beg now. I promise you will not suffer again.
Which one is you and I?
Mona Guinea.
You and I?
Yes.
Chiboy. Am I?
I was able to get some money.
There wouldn't be any need for that. Meet J-Boy.
J-Boy?
Yeah, you do.
Hey, J-Boy. Hey, thank you very much. God bless you. He paid for everything. I can see that. Thank you. When did you come back?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Child. How that side now?
Everywhere good.
No, it's obvious now. I can see. Child. So when are you going back?
Messiah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay. Let me quickly see my son inside.
Wait.
Thank you very much.